Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBPUSD. So we are going to be looking at the trend. Remember yesterday we did a prediction on GBPUSD, and I told you guys clearly that GBPUSD is going to be selling for the day. Guess what market did? Market did give us a bearish move. So you can see that our prediction is absolutely correct. So this is one of the reasons why, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you don't miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, before we go into predict what market will be doing for the day, we need to know what the trend is. Remember, know your trend. So what can we say the trend is on our GBPUSD? It is very clear that GBPUSD is in a ranging market move right here. So you can see that market once rallied up to tap our resistance, right? Then once it got to the resistance, rejected and dropped to tap our support, right? Market eventually corrected itself and came back to tap the resistance. Then it rejected and dropped to tap our support, right? Market eventually corrected itself and came back to tap our resistance. Then it dropped to tap our support. Market eventually rallied up to tap our resistance, right? From this resistance, we'll be expecting market to reject and continue that movement till it is able to come to tap our support level. So this is to tell you that in the long run, right, you should be expecting GBPUSD to actually give us a bearish move. So a bearish move is what we should be expecting. Now let's go down to our 4-hour time frame, guys. Now this is it right here. This is the trend. GBP USD is on a downtrend move. So this is the low and this is the lower high, right? This is also the lower low. Here comes the lower high right here. So market is currently giving us a lower high. So once the lower high plays out finish, right, we will be expecting market to drop against it to form a new low, thereby taking out this low. So this is to tell you that whatever you want to be doing on your GBP USD, you would also be going in for the sell. So look to go in for the sell for the day. Now, if there will be any changes to this prediction that I just did, I'll make sure I did the update and let you guys know. So if you did not want to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. You'll find a link to the Telegram in the comment section.